Well, good morning, everybody. It's breakfast time, and I thought I'd share a quick meal that I came up with. I call it the 5-minute ETA. It's egg, tortilla, and avocado, and I can literally make it from start to finish in less than 5 minutes. Let's get to it. All right, so simple ingredients in this one. We've got just some street taco flour tortillas. You can use corn tortillas if you want, just as long as they're the street taco size. Some eggs. I use the large cage-free eggs. Avocado. And I use these little Pyrex dishes. They're glass. They're just fantastic to have. So I've got 2 of these because I'm going to make 2 of the ETAs. A little bit of canola spray. You can also use butter or coconut oil. And I just put a little bit in the bottom of the dishes here just so the tortillas don't stick. Makes for a super fast cleanup, and that's part of why it's a super quick breakfast, is there's just hardly any cleanup at all. Then of course just a knife to cut the avocado and a couple of napkins to cover the egg and tortilla dishes while they're cooking in the microwave. So yes, this is a microwave dish. Again, super fast. So let's start putting it all together. What do you want, buddy? You want some ETA? All right, so first thing you want to do, take a couple of these tortillas, throw them in the microwave for 12 seconds. Grab a couple of these eggs, one for each tortilla, set those aside. Okay, so these have been in for 12 seconds. Take a little bit of our canola spray. Again, you can use butter or coconut oil. And then since these are nice and pliable, they just shove right down into the glass dish and kind of press the edges around so it acts like a little cup, right? Do that with both of these. Okay, get a nice little ledge there. All right, take our egg, just crack it right in there. Do that kind of slow so you don't overflow the edges. That's part of the cleanup, the easy cleanup, is making sure that you don't make a mess while you're making it. All right, so then I take the knife and I just puncture the yolk a few times. That's just so it doesn't explode in the microwave. All right. A little bit of salt and pepper. I'm actually going to use today, I'm going to use some of this spicy garlic salt. I'll link below all this stuff, the spices and stuff that I feel are really good with this dish. This is the Dean Jacobs brand. You can get this on Amazon. Really good stuff. It's garlic, red pepper, and pink Himalayan salt. All right, so these are ready to go in the microwave. We'll throw these in the microwave here. All right, so we'll bring these over. Space them evenly, and then I've got 2 of these little napkins. I'll cover the top of the dish with the napkins. All right. And then we'll go, let's see, 3 minutes and 30 seconds on power 5. 3 minutes, 30 seconds on basically half power, so power 5 on my microwave. All right, while that's cooking in the microwave, we'll go ahead and slice up our avocado, and I'll show you. Just take a knife. I did rinse the knife after I punctured the egg yolk. Just take your avocado and slice it in half. and that's a nice avocado. That's a nice avocado. Get rid of this guy. And then take your knife and just make some slices while it's still in the peel there. What's the matter, cat? Zen's hungry. Again, with the other side, you don't have to use both sides. I just use a few slices on each, but I'll show you that in a second. So just make your slices and leave it like that for now. And usually while that's, so I still have 2 minutes left in the microwave on that, and I'll just put away the eggs and the tortillas and all that stuff. Just get it all put away. And there's still 1.5 minutes or 1 minute and 40 seconds left. I'm gonna go feed the cat. All right, so I have a minute left with the egg and tortilla. It's how I like it is I like the yolk to be cooked. I don't want it to be runny at all. A little bit soft in the middle, but firm. So that's why I do the 3 minutes and 30 seconds. And that's probably just about done. There's 28 seconds left. All right, these are about done. Pull these out. All right, now let's get these onto a plate. Look at how nice those turned out. Oh yeah. So now you can just take these, they just pop right out. Flip them back over. Okay. We can take grab a spoon. I just take a few of these little avocado slices, put them right over the top. You don't have to do so much avocado if you don't want a lot of avocado. I like avocado, so I'll do a few of these guys. Okay. And then, again, a little bit of spice. You can do whatever you want, but I just do a little bit of black pepper over the top. And there you have it. The 5-minute ETA. Egg, tortilla, and avocado. Alright, so, and they're nice and clean to eat too, because they're in this little tortilla bowl. That's perfect. A little bit of my Brazilian yellow bourbon dark roast. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Not bourbon as in alcohol, but bourbon as in the coffee bean originated from the islands of Bourbon, which is just off the coast of Madagascar. This coffee bean is actually grown in Brazil. That'll be another video. Roasting my own coffee beans, and I'll show you that in an upcoming video. So that'll be actually a series that I'm going to start doing. We're going to start doing a few different little series videos throughout the month, which will be fun to do. So go to different locations and do a few things. Got some health and fitness stuff, food. We're going to do some coffee videos. And of course, we'll keep doing the regular camper videos and the modification videos that we've been doing. So it should be fun. Looking forward to doing that. I hope you guys are too. So thanks for watching the video. I'll have all the ingredients and instructions down below in the description of this video. And where you can buy the spice that I use and stuff like that. Also, if you're interested in those little Pyrex dishes, I'll go ahead and put a link for those as well. Again, these are Amazon links, they're my affiliate links, and I also really appreciate it when you guys purchase through those Amazon links, because you don't have to pay anymore, but I get a very small percentage. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and we'll see you on the next video. Later. Oh my goodness, they're so good. I've got avocado all over my face now. Let's try that again. Look at how perfect that yolk is. Oh, it's just perfect. And that spicy garlic salt just makes it perfect. Adds just a little bit of a kick. Oh, it's so good. Oh, no! No, 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 no. Hey. Gosh dang it. Woody. What are you doing? That's my bad.